In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve. If DaVinci Resolve feels slow, stutters during playback, or struggles when you're working on larger projects, one quick setting you may want to check is how much memory the program is allowed to use. Adjusting this can help Resolve make better use of your system resources, especially if you have plenty of RAM available on your computer. To do this, start by going to the top left corner of the screen and clicking on DaVinci Resolve. This will open the main application menu. From there, click on Preferences. The Preferences window is where you can adjust important system settings that affect how the software performs. So this is the right place to make memory-related changes. Once the Preferences window opens, look for the section called Memory and GPU. This area controls how DaVinci Resolve handles memory allocation and graphics processing. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Limit Memory Usage. This is the setting that determines how much RAM Resolve can use while it's running. Now click and drag that memory slider all the way to the right. Moving it to the right increases the amount of RAM available to DaVinci Resolve, which can improve performance when editing high-resolution footage, using effects, or working on complex timelines. If your system has enough available memory, giving Resolve more RAM can make the editing experience feel smoother and more responsive. And that's it. That's how you allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, it's usually a good idea to leave enough RAM available for your operating system and any other apps you may be using at the same time. So while increasing this setting can help, you still want to make sure your computer can run everything comfortably in the background. If you make this change and don't notice a major improvement right away, that's normal. Performance can also depend on your GPU, storage speed, media format, and timeline settings, but checking memory allocation is still one of the easiest and fastest adjustments you can make. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to go in DaVinci Resolve to allocate more RAM and potentially improve your editing performance.